Inside of my truck after a fire. It's fully burnt, and it's the fire extinguisher dust. Yeah, it's pretty bad. It's time to show you what the interior of Lulu the Landy looks like now. The rebuild after the fire is pretty much complete. I've got a few little things just to finish off, but I'm using it and it's just fabulous. It was a huge process. I just can't describe how huge it was, but I'm just so thrilled to have my truck back. So enough talking, let me show you. So first of all, look at my fabulous gull wing windows, and we can take a look at the interior through the gull wing windows, and that's a bit of a sneak preview. Let me go around and show you from the rear. Here she is, Lulu the Landy rebuilt, better than before. One of the main things I'm really pleased with was I changed the carpet lining the ceiling from a darker colour to this lovely quartz grey, I think it, or quartz white. I also hid the wires for the lighting underneath the carpet before I laid it, which was a really smart thing, I thought. Better interior, full new cabinetry, complete rebuild. I did manage to save my kitchen sink. All my solar wire, control wires were fine, so I managed to reuse those. So yes, beautiful kitchen cabinets with galley style drawers and a little pull out bench extension, which is fabulous. Beautiful big fridge. Everything's got control monitors for the battery, the inverter, and the extra solar panel, and lots of accessible storage. This one folds down. I've got lots of things tucked in there. Great storage underneath. Access through from here and through from here. Yes, and of course the gull wing windows, which just open this entire window space up beautifully. Let me go around and show you the water tank. So I reinstalled the water tank in exactly the same position I had it before, which is under here, which is perfect. That's 60 litres. I've got a big new fridge. It's almost twice the capacity as my last fridge, and I've got it on a homemade sliding drawer runner that comes out. And I'll go show you the other side, which is where the control panel is. Control panel and everything are accessible through a side door. So previously I'd built my own control panel, but I decided to buy an off-the-shelf one this time. Just fabulous. It's got a voltage sensitive relay and the MPPT controller built into one thing. All the lines coming in. The new thing I've done in this thing is I've put a kill switch in. Basically isolates all the power battery from everything. Big change. There's my beautiful big battery, 230 amp hour. Good breathing space, and it's Bluetooth control, as I say. I've got the inverter with the Bluetooth controller. I'm actually going to up my inverter. I had reduced the size of capacity of my inverter on this build, and it's not big enough, so I will replace that. But for now, there she is, looking beautiful. Very pleased. The gull wing windows are just fabulous. Just being able to open the back of the truck up like that is absolutely wonderful when you're in there. And that's it for now. So I have 400 videos of the rebuild, so it's taken a bit to just even name them and edit them, and I'm compiling those into a full story of the fire and the rebuild. But for now, that's a wrap. There is my beautiful new interior. Super functional, super gorgeous, and works perfectly for me. Oh, and I've made the bed so it's long enough so I can actually sleep on it still. My feet are obviously in a narrow area, but this is a super comfortable mattress and just wide enough for me to sleep. So if I need to sleep on the interior, I can. Okie dokie, enough for now. Get back into better lighting. There you go.